Welcome back, fellow car enthusiasts, to Sell Us Flip It Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we're diving in deep to the top 5 questions you've been revving up in the comments section. So let's roll up our sleeves and jump in it, guys.
First up, what is short-term and long-term fuel trim? Think of your car's engine like a hungry machine. It needs the perfect mix of air and fuel. While the short-term fuel trim is like that quick snack, adjusting the fuel mix on the fly, your long-term is like your diet plan, making sure the engine gets fed right over time. It's all about the balance. How long can I drive with my engine light on? Well, it's like playing automotive roulette. It could be a simple sensor hiccup or something ready to blow. My advice, don't gamble with your engine. Get it checked pronto. Now here's a heavy one. Should I service my transmission if I haven't in 200,000 miles? If your transmission has not been serviced in 200,000 miles, servicing it could cause more problems than you are trying to fix with a service. The damage is already done. Let it ride, and this will take us into our next question. Now, servicing your transmission can lead into a transmission replacement, and that leads, how long does it take to replace a transmission? Replacing a transmission is not a pit stop change. It took me a full day. Precision and patience is the key in a transmission replacement. It's a marathon, not a sprint, folks. Check our video collection on your vehicle to see if we have a transmission replacement on your make and model. Save yourself time and money with us this year by subscribing and liking this video. And capping it off, does my vehicle have a cabin air filter? If you like breathing easy, you'll want to know. Most of the vehicles after the year 2000 have it, and it's tucked behind your glove box. It keeps the cabin's air clean, so check yours to keep the good air flowing. That's a wrap on our top 5 automotive questions asked. If you have more questions, make sure you drop them in the comment section. I love answering all those comments you guys send in. And if you want to keep your auto knowledge tank full, make sure you smash that subscribe button, and until next time, keep those engines burned, those engines turning. Take care.